Well, hello. I wasn't so sure about this one today. Woohoo! Anyway, it's my September review, and I wanted to show you, look how well Herbert is doing. And my Stella plant. I'm going to bring her down to the floor because I have another little one that needs to go up there. Wow, look at, she just keeps going and going and going. And my jungle vine, again, he just keeps going and going. Whoa, whoo, I just threw him into the fan. He just keeps going and going and going and going and going. I have no idea when he's going to flower. But look at, he's shooting out different tendrils. I just love this little plant. And my little stone. Hopefully he'll be having a baby soon. I don't know about the palm. I don't do well with those. And my pink princess, I moved her over here. We had a little bit of problem with spider mites. Not for her so much as her baby over here. I gave this one to Charlene. Charlene, I think, see, there's a new little bud coming out of there. I think I saved it for you. And I'm not shipping that to her until, well, her winter is over, which could be summer next year. Anyway, I just love the color. I love everything about her. She does have a strange way her leaves come out. I always thought this is why they called her the princess. But kalanchoe, we're going to cut that back, and I'm going to root that one as soon as I get some more potting soil. They're all doing very well, but I want them cut back so they look real pretty for spring. Here's another one. Oh, I got plants all underneath me. Mark's doing well, but again with the fungus thing. So I just keep hitting him with peroxide. A little bit of cow mag. Oh, he loves the cow mag. And then over here, the spider plants are still doing well. Christopher is doing well, and he's putting on new growth. It's amazing. I hope that he blooms again for Christmas. And then this is my little rooting section. Yeah, I put a little, you can't blame me. Oh, look at my monstera. I got a new leaf. I moved him. Oh, where's my new leaf? Oh, that's him right there. He came out with character. Ooh, look at you. Ooh, look at that. All right, well, I'd say he's very happy there. And that moss pole was a good, that was a good choice of mine. And then this. Ooh, isn't that a beauty? Come here, you. Come here, you. That's my Thanksgiving cactus. Oh, that's my dead kale on the side. But isn't she lovely? Oh, I just love that. And then Alvin! Alvin! I cut back some of his dead leaves. It's me, Henry. I might need to go get my dog. Yes, dear. Let me show you real fast. He's not going to let me not go. And I'm finally getting some peppers. Finally, jalapeno. So, oh, I see my dog was into this too. Okay, I'm just happy. I'm really thrilled. I haven't had luck with this yet. This will be my first success. So, that's pretty much everything that I have underneath, and this is all under that 500 watt light. It takes care of all of this stuff. Okay. My mother had mentioned to me that she could hardly see anything in that pink light. So I brought you over here, and I just wanted to show you what I've been up to. I made a little path. Do you see the little, oops, I'm sorry. Do you see the little succulents, the baby ones? On each side of the bench. And then lining the path of the little lipoths. Sorry, I'm always concerned about my visuals. See? And then you see these little sneaky looking things? Yeah, I rooted those back there. Oh, they kind of look like cactus. Oh, it fell over. Aw. I had to carry it in here. Oh, I'll fix it later. But see, everything's starting to come to life and look like it's supposed to. Well, it's starting to. And these, I wanted to show you the lipoths. And please don't feel badly. I know one of you have contacted me about this. You know, anytime you buy things, especially through the mail, you know, Amazon, any big shop like that, what do you call those? Big box stores. You're lucky, whatever you get that comes up. And you see, I had 3 last week, but it seems that only 1 ended up taking. So, yeah, someone had contacted me and they only had 3 and they were bummed out thinking they did something wrong. You didn't do anything wrong. They're just kind of hard to grow when you get them like that. But I wanted to show you, mine are about to give birth. Aw, can you see? They're starting to split. And then the new ones will come out of the middle. And can you see, does it show? They might be watered enough now. But you can tell when they need to be watered because they'll get kind of crinkly like a raisin. Is it? No. I've been watering them pretty well, but you'll notice they'll start getting crinkly either at the mama part or the baby part. And it's in fall and spring when you normally water them after they've grown up. But I just thought this was really sweet. I've worked out a lot, actually, just playing with this little garden. But yeah, I'm a little taken by this and those bonsais. Am I ever? We have radishes and carrots. And look closely. Oh, oh, where'd it go? Well, I had a watermelon coming up. Oh, no, there he is. He's hiding. Oh. There he is. The proof is in the pudding. Anyway, I got radishes and carrots so far. And my cilantro, yeah, it's hanging in there. I don't know what happens to the babies. But I'm going to reseed it. But looky, looky. Oh, I got some strawberry. I know it's ridiculous. But oh well, I'll take it. I'll take it. Then of course there's my monster tomato plant. But you know, I cut some tomatoes out of him and he had some black spots in him, so I have to check that out. But I'm probably going to cut him back some and reroot him again. But you see all the little tomatoes he's got all over him? I just picked some off. But can you see all that? So I'm really pleased. Then this little pal riding shotgun over here. The tomato with the heart. I gave it a little bit of a border to try to hold it in together a little bit better. I'm going to be very interested to see how this ends up vining out and fruiting. And then I have, yes I do, onions. Can you hear me? I'm sorry. And more onions. Oh, these ones are the bunch onions. So we're doing better with the watering. This is just a quick update on those pothos. This is the one that looks, you know, it looks pretty good. The one I gave the other person, it died. And what I think happened in the mail, because it was really hot when it was delivered to me, is that when they were in those little bags with humidity in there, they might have cooked it a little bit. I don't know. As far as the root, I hope not, because I'm hoping that it'll reroot again, because my sebu blue, it just croaked. So I'm hoping that it's rerooting itself, but I think it got cooked in the mail. This happens, and you have to expect to some degree. To some degree. It happens a lot often, depending on who your mail carrier is. You know, FedEx is usually pretty good about it. But you've got to expect it to happen. It will happen. Well, I'm hoping you can see better because I have the lights out in here. But this is my bromeliad. Still hasn't put on color, nor has it put on any pups for me. And ooh, the creeping Charlie, I love this. It looks healthy and shiny. And these leaves are starting to die back, so I'm hoping they're going to give me babies. I love this plant. And it looks like the geranium is taking. So that'll be nice. Let me see what it smells like. Yeah, it has a lovely smell. Sorry about that. I love it when they have that lovely smell. I almost forgot my bispo. I haven't named him yet. It might be his name. But it looks like he's put some growth on, look. In the back. The more yellow, ooh, yes, it does. Oh, I love this. Oh, I had to have it. Oh God, did I ever have to have it. But I think he's putting on new growth, and oh, you know, I'm always hopeful that he'll bud. Ooh. See, he'll be, oops, sorry. Ooh, yep, stickery little fella. He'll be bluish color, but the new growth on him will be yellow. If I keep him under the lights, though, I think he'll stay blue. I like that. He looks a little lopsided, actually. We'll have to fix that. Okay, and then we have the canna, which it was continuing to get burnt, but I've figured out why, and I have stopped that, I do believe. So I'm going to end up cutting this back, but see, it's putting on a new leaf, so hopefully it'll just take off now. And my black dragon, yeah, I don't remember, alocasia? Yeah. Oh, I love this. Did I call it a black dragon again? It's a silver dragon. I love this. But I think I'm not giving it enough water because it shouldn't be getting, the lights came on. Isn't that lovely? Lovely. Anyway, we'll wrap this up. That shows that it's not getting enough water when it's kind of browning at the ends. But see, all of the parsley is looking really healthy and really nice. And my aloe vera. Yeah. Oof, oof, oof. Yeah, I know. I have that personality though, you know. Anyway, and then I have my other peppers, my chili peppers, my calla lily, which I'm hoping is going to bloom this year. And then I have more peppers coming on. Those are my sweet peppers, finally. Oh, and one lone onion. And, you know, I always forget the name of this, anthurium. But that's the one I got from Walmart for half price, but it's doing very well as well. Everything actually is doing pretty well. And I'm going to wrap it up because when the lights come on, I know it's impossible for you to see. But that's basically all I had so far. But I'm pretty thrilled about my strawberries and my... Oh, there we go with the light. I will talk to you later. You guys have a lovely day, and I will as well. Bye.